Unexpected situations can happen anytime. A natural disaster, power outage, or even a home emergency. In those moments, having a well-prepared emergency kit or bug-out bag can make all the difference. You can buy a fully assembled emergency kit, but you can also put it together yourself with the products that fit your own requirements. Let's go over the basics that could keep you safe and prepared. The first thing you need is a sturdy bag or pouch. For a larger kit, you'll want a strong weather-resistant backpack. Look for one with enough compartments to keep everything organized and comfortable to carry. For smaller kits, pouches are perfect for keeping only the most essential items easy to reach and find. You can even combine pouches with your backpack to keep things separated in your kit. Let's talk about some essential items that should be in your emergency kit. Number 1. Water and a water filter. Staying hydrated is priority number 1. A filter ensures you have clean drinking water wherever you are. Number 2. A knife or multi-tool for cutting, building, or quick repairs. Number 3. A power bank. This keeps your phone or GPS running when there is no power. Number 4. A whistle. Perfect for signaling or calling for help in an emergency. Number 5. A flashlight and extra batteries. You'll need light, especially during power outages or at night. Number 6. A first aid kit for treating cuts, burns, and other small injuries. Number 7. Fire-making tools. A lighter, fire seal, and tinder will help you start a fire for warmth, cooking, or signaling. Number 8. Paracord. It's lightweight, versatile, and useful for building shelters or fixing gear. And don't forget number 9, long-lasting food. Think energy bars, canned good, or freeze-dried meals. Number 10, an emergency blanket. Lightweight, but great for staying warm. Number 11, toiletries, a toothbrush, toothpaste, wet wipes, and hand sanitizer to stay clean and healthy. And finally, number 12, important documents and cash. IDs, other important documents, and some cash can be a lifesaver. With the right essentials in your bag, you're ready for anything life throws at you. An emergency kit isn't just about safety, it's about peace of mind. It's simple to build, and when the unexpected happens, you'll be glad you took the time to prepare. And luckily for you, most of the items we mentioned are available at knivesandtools.com. So, start today and be ready for whatever comes your way.